Hey, we are going to have some fun today.
Hint, hint.
I recently uploaded a video where I was kind of just pulling out sneakers that I love so much, my faves, that I don't wear. And I thought that was just a lot of fun. And honestly, it helped me kind of organize and it encouraged me to wear them. What is wrong with me? So because I did that video, I realized that I have a few products that are great brands that I have not worn yet. So today I'm gonna unbox them with you and see what I like, what I don't like. Right now I have a naked face other than skincare and a little bit of mascara just because today we're not applying mascara. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm going to start with the Lancôme LA Base Pro. This is a perfecting makeup primer. I'm just gonna be honest, I am not a makeup queen. I love makeup. I'm at the age where I absolutely feel like I need makeup, and I haven't done the whole Botox filler thing yet. I'm not gonna say I never will, but I have not. And I am noticing fine lines, wrinkles. When I smile, I have really bad crow's feet. They haven't like permanently left a wrinkle. I use a lot of expressions. So like I raise my eyebrows a lot and I'm trying alternative things. I haven't bought the Japanese tape yet. I'm excited to try it. I've only tried Frownies, and those are like craft paper with a non-toxic glue that you can put on at night. So I'm trying those out to see if it helps me reduce my expression. All that to say, I kind of feel like I need makeup now, and I have sunspots and I've been trying to take really good care of my skin. Anyways, I am not a makeup artist, a makeup professional. I don't really use primer, but honestly, I want to start. And this is gorgeous. It's glass, it's Lancôme, which is amazing. I use their mascara primer. I love their shadows. I love their liner. I'll show you a liner soon. I am just excited to try this, and let's just get right to it. It says that this resurfaces and perfects the skin. It boosts makeup results and improves wear. Makeup glides on seamlessly, color stays true, it mattifies the skin, which I definitely need. It's an invisible gel that helps control shine. So that's great because I get very shiny. The result is a professionally smooth complexion with a satin soft finish, an optimum radiant airbrush look all day. Okay, hello, where have you been all my life? I'm going to wash my hands really quick so I can just use my hands for this. I will be right back. Okay, hands are clean. This is gorgeous. I mean, look at the flower detailing if you can see it. It's just stunning. It's gorgeous. I love their products. Okay, let's see. Obviously, never worn this. Here we go. Oh, it goes on so, okay. This is silky smooth. Wow. I feel like this is like the only primer I've used was the Benefit Cosmetics Porefactor primer, and it feels similar. I think all primers probably feel like this. It definitely feels like it's filling in fine lines and wrinkles and my pores. Prepping the skin. This is beautiful. I'm excited about this. I don't know why I have not used it. Y'all are probably thinking I'm crazy. I love fashion and I love makeup, but I'm not a makeup guru yet. So you'll have to follow me on my journey. Wow. It honestly feels like second skin. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna have to report back the results of wearing this all day. Beautiful. So she ain't going back in her box. Nope. Since we're doing the face, I'm gonna save these two liners for last. Let's do my InnBeauty face glazes. So I have the Face Glaze Highlighting Gel Cream, and then I have the Face Glaze Bronze. So let's start with just the highlight gel. This is like a ring light for your skin. It adds a soft, focused glow and supports skin barrier. So by the way, I love InnBeauty. If you have not tried their skincare, is amazing. You can buy it at Sephora, and I like that it's a clean line. I use a lot of I love their face lotion. I love their eye brightening cream. It's just, they're a great, great brand. Lovely ladies too. Okay, so let's see. Vegan squalane, ceramides, hyaluronic acid. So you can use this alone as a skin protector or as a primer. Mixed with foundation or as a highlighter. I'm excited. Let's just see what it does. I'm gonna put it on my eyes too. I think I put too much, but we're trying this together, so. And I probably would use like a sponge or my makeup brush for this, but we're just gonna go with it. Can you tell? What do you think? I think it added a subtle highlight. It's kind of got like a pinkish hue, which I totally don't hate. I think I would use this more as a highlighter or a primer. I don't know that I like it like on its own with my skin, but she's staying, so yes to her. Okay, now we're gonna do the Face Glaze Bronze. This is basically the exact same thing, but it's got a bronze hue. So this, I have a feeling I'm gonna love much, much more than the other. She's pretty, look at that. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna try not to get too much this time. Just a little dot, and I'm gonna mix it up. She is pretty. Oh, I'm gonna just put it where I would normally add some bronze to my face. Okay. Okay. I feel like I was just in the sun. It goes on really, really smooth. I mean, it's like a serum. It's gorgeous. She's definitely giving sun-kissed glow. Wow, I almost want to put her all over. Let's just do a little more. Okay, change the game. I've got some shine and I've got some glow for sure. And now a sun-kissed bronze. This is staying, no question. You're in a top fave for sure. Okay, let's move on to liners. We're gonna start, I'm gonna do one eye. So we've got Syrup Brown and Black Satin. So I'm gonna do one eye brown, one eye satin. Let's do this. So this says, this is Lancôme Idôle Eyeliner, Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner. Love it. She is sharp. Wow, I love this brown color. It's going on so nice and super sharp. Look at that. How fun. Okay. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is the best brown liner, even after one use, that I've tried. I'm not even joking. I want more. She's staying. She's gorgeous. This is gorgeous. That went on so nice. The true trick, we'll see how quickly it dries. If it sticks to the top of your eyelid, which I know there's a trick for that. You know, gotta put some translucent powder on it, but pretty, 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 pretty. Love it. Okay, this is the Lancôme Artliner eyeliner, gentle felt eyeliner, bold line. Okay, all right, let's do this. Ooh, that is gorge. I mean, all of their makeup's just, it's display worthy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at this. Can you see that? It's interesting, for sure. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I'm smelling it. Why am I smelling it? Okay. Let's do this. I'm so far away from the mirror, but I'm trying to get y'all to see it. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna have some fun with it. Okay, Black. It's definitely an interesting, wand. Two different eye styles, a little bit more of a cat eye with the black. We got the brown and the black. I just hit myself in the face. Okay, this is like night out, lots of makeup on, beautiful, sharp. I mean, it's true. It said bold line. This is definitely, this is vibing. This is for sure. This is my night out, date night, definitely the bold line. This is more subtle. I don't feel like I'm gonna need to wear so much like foundation and eyeshadow with the brown because it's not so striking. This is striking, especially how I did my line. I'm telling y'all, it was awkward, okay? I'm just owning it, it was awkward. I can do my makeup a little better, but for now, I don't know. I like it. She's giving hot girl. I'm putting this on today. I'm gonna go finish my makeup. I'll be right back. Y'all, that base makes a huge difference. That primer is amazing. Okay, so that was a really, really weird way to do my makeup. I've never done it in that order before, but you know what? It is what it is. And the sun kept coming in and out, and I was so happy when the clouds broke up and the sun came out, but then the sun's gone. Okay, so I literally got ready to go pick up my son from school. It'll be weird. I'm gonna be parked there and I'm gonna be looking so hot in my amazing Lancôme Artliner. I'm telling y'all, this is a must. Thank you, Lancôme. I love you. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy doing these YouTube videos, so thank you so much. If you've watched this, please like and subscribe. It helps me and encourages me to do a lot more fun videos. So I hope that you have an awesome day, and I hope to get to know you. I'll see you on the next video.